looking to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Today's lesson we will learn how to script the two forms of the letter Daal and the letter Ra. Let's get started. The letter Daal is written in two strokes. It is 3 units high, the width is 1.5 units, and the angle of the nib is 75 degrees. Bring the stroke down in a circular motion and lift the bottom tip of the nib and continue to complete the letter with the top tip of the nib. Now, keeping the back of the letter Daal straight, draw a line and connect it to the end of the Daal like so, and fill it in if need to. Let's measure this. The head of the Daal is 1 unit. The inside of the Daal vertically is 2 units. The foot of the Daal is 1 unit. And inside horizontally is also 1 unit. The second form of the letter Daal is almost the same as the previous one. The only difference is that this Daal starts at a 90-degree angle. If you want to write the letter Daal, make sure to leave a unit space between the letter and the dot. Let's write the letter Ra. The letter Ra is written in 2 strokes. This Ra, which we will be scripting in Urdu, is called Kari Re. With almost a straight nib, bring the pen down and start curving it in the middle like so, and then fill in the foot of the ra if needed. Let's measure this. The height is 3 units. The space going diagonally is 3 units. And the foot is 1 unit. Let's write the second form of the letter Ra. And in Urdu, it is known as the Pari Re. Leave a unit space from the top line and create a stroke curving at a 65-degree angle. As you curve, lift the bottom tip of the nib and complete the letter with the top tip of the nib. Fill in the letter if required. Let's measure this. The height of this Ra is 1.5 units. The space diagonally is 3 units. The bottom of the foot is 1.5 units. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Question of the day. When did you first discover Arabic calligraphy? Let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos around this. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.